Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 5 things that I wish I knew before I started affiliate marketing. This is gonna be a fire video, guys. I promise you guys are gonna get a ton of value because I'm gonna give you guys the mindset you need to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, guys. But the main goal of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. Guys, if you're looking to create a life of freedom, fulfillment, and passion, guys, this is the channel you're gonna wanna subscribe to. Please subscribe down below. Let's get into the actual video. Now, number 1, guys, is this process is not as simple as it looks. A lot of people look at affiliate marketing like, oh, that's so easy. That's something that I can do overnight. Guys, this process takes time to build, right? You're not gonna be able to build an affiliate marketing business overnight, no matter what anyone tells you, right? There's a ton of plug and play systems out there, a lot of systems that say, hey, put money into this business or this plug and play business and make money overnight. Guys, you can't pay attention to those. You have to learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, right? I always teach you, if you've ever gone through my 3-day challenge, guys, you have to build an email list, right? You have to build your online assets. So yes, this process is easy, but it's not as simple as it looks. I've made a ton of money with affiliate marketing, but guys, I know my fundamentals, right? I know exactly what I need to do to be successful with an affiliate marketing program, right? So for example, if I were to go promote another program, I have no doubt in my mind I can be successful with it, but that's because I have built up the skill to be able to be successful with that program. So guys, I don't want you to look into this as like, this is so easy, this is so simple. It's not as simple as it looks. Now, I don't say that to scare you, but I want to be 100% real with you guys that this process takes time and you're not going to get that instant gratification like most people tell you. Now, this goes into point number 2, is you can't have a mindset of instant gratification. A lot of people, especially in our world, have been accustomed to that instant gratification mindset, right? We get DoorDash delivery, Uber Eats. We have a car to take us wherever we want, when we want, because of that instant gratification, right? Amazon 2-day delivery. And that has totally screwed up our mindsets when building a business. We can't have that instant gratification, guys, because what happens is you think that you can build this business overnight, right? And that's totally not going to happen. Even if you put like hundreds of thousands of dollars into paid ads, you're not going to know how to do it, right? You're not going to have the skill. You're not going to have the experience. So guys, if you look at building your affiliate marketing business as a long-term thing, a long-term goal, then I promise you any one of you guys can build a business. But I think a lot of people, and this happened to me, guys, because I used to have that mindset as well, was like, oh, I can do this, in a few days, in a few weeks, whatever it was, right? I understand that, but you got to get out of that mindset and have a mindset of long-term, right? And that's why I teach the way I teach. YouTube is always going to be there. Blogging is always going to be there. Your email list is the most long-term thing that will always be there. Now, of course, if you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to YouTube or blogging or building an email list, guys, I have a challenge. I'm going to link that down below. That's going to walk you through the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Now, number 3 is running paid ads right away. And this is a mistake I made when I first started my business. Because again, this goes back to instant gratification, right? I thought in my head, if I put in $1,000 into paid advertising, I'm going to make money right away, right? I'm going to make some, I put $1,000 in, get $2,000 or $3,000 out, right? That's the mindset that I had. Guys, running paid ads when you first get started is a huge mistake, okay? And I'm gonna explain this. I know a lot of people might disagree with me, but I want you guys to hear my story, okay? And this is coming from experience as well. I'm not just saying this, okay? When I first started, I put a lot of money into paid ads, and I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know copywriting. I didn't know how to properly optimize a funnel. I didn't know how to properly, make sure the offer is congruent with the ad. All the stuff that people don't think about when running paid ads, right? There's a lot that goes into paid advertising that takes a lot of skill, right? It takes a lot of experience. So what I recommend doing when you first get started is starting with free traffic, okay? Starting with, YouTube, starting with TikTok. And the cool thing is about with free traffic is you can test your offers, you can test your landing pages, you can test your copywriting skills until you have the skills to run paid ads. That was a huge mistake I made in the beginning because, again, I think people have that instant gratification mindset and they want to just throw a bunch of money into this business and think it's going to make them a millionaire overnight, right? I had that mindset. Like, it just happens, right? We want to be able to leave our 9-to-5 jobs. We want to have that financial freedom, or we just want to make more money, right? We want to be able to, buy the nice things that we want, buy a nice house. For me, I just wanted to get out of my 9-to-5 job, so I was just throwing money away into, paid ads when I shouldn't have in the beginning. Now, I love paid ads. Right now, I've been able to use paid ads to dramatically grow my business, but now I have the skills. Now I know exactly how to run a paid ad. And I don't want you guys to make that mistake, okay? I wish I knew that before I started affiliate marketing. All right, number 4 is taking action in the right areas, guys. This is huge, okay? Because I think what happens is, as affiliate marketers, we might be on Facebook all day, we might be on YouTube, Instagram, and we get caught up in the day-to-day, right? We see other people posting the results, we see interviews here, we see trainings here, the next webinar. Guys, you have to focus on income producing activities, okay? Income producing activities is what's gonna get you from 0 to the 6 figures, okay? And I'm gonna explain exactly what I mean by that. Basically, when I started my business, I was always scrolling Facebook. I was always just acting like I was busy, right? You know what I'm talking about, right? You're just on Facebook. You're in the Make Money Online groups, the ClickFunnels groups, and you're just looking at posts, right? You're looking at other people's results, and that's not going to make you money, guys. You have to do income producing activities. Now, for me, I make the most money when I create content, when I create YouTube videos, when I create TikToks, when I create more ads for my business. That's going to be the things that make me the most money, all right? And that's the things you need to focus on. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is when I first started my business, I was working my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. I didn't have the time, guys. I was working 40, 50, sometimes 60 hours a week in my job. So what I had to do was I had to get up at 3:30 every single morning. Now, what happened was during that time, I didn't have very much time to build my business. So I had to put the time into the income producing activities. So when I would wake up in the morning, the first thing I would do is I would have to create a YouTube video. Like, I knew for a fact that YouTube was the way to that was going to get me to that 6-figure business. So when I got up in the morning, that was the first thing I did was I need to create a YouTube video. Now, I would typically get a YouTube video out within a few hours, and then if I had extra time, I would throw in some TikToks, I would send out some emails, stuff like that. Okay, again, I didn't have that much time when I first started my business, but number 4, guys, is you have to take action in the right areas, okay? Don't waste your time scrolling on Facebook and going on Instagram, watching a million webinars. Like, I've been there, and it wastes time. You're going to get to where you want to be faster if you put your time into income producing activities. All right, number 5, guys, and this is probably one of the most important things. This is something that I talk about a lot with my one-on-one students, is focusing on one traffic source, okay? One traffic source in the beginning, okay? Don't be looking at Pinterest and Instagram and YouTube, all TikTok. Focus on one right away, okay? Get really, really good at that. And I'm going to explain what I mean by that, okay? When I first started, I was just all in with YouTube. I knew the power of YouTube. I knew that, once I got my YouTube channel going, these videos were gonna pay me for years and years to come. But I wanted to get really good at YouTube. I didn't get on YouTube, then get on TikTok, then get on Instagram. I would focus just on YouTube when I first started. Now, of course, you see me on TikTok, you see me on Instagram a little bit, on Facebook. When I first started, I was just focusing on that one thing, okay? And not only that one traffic source, but that one thing in everything, right? That one offer. You want to focus on one offer when you first start, okay? You want to focus on one traffic source. You want to focus on one thing, okay, guys? There's a book called The One Thing, and it's going to really help you focus on what you need to focus on. And that's one thing I really want you guys to understand is, yes, you see me focusing on all these other ones now, but now I have more time. Now I'm really good at YouTube, so I can just focus more on TikTok now. Like, you can move to other platforms once you master the one thing, right? That one traffic source. And that's going to be really huge, guys, when you're building your business, is not focusing on a ton of things, okay? I see that all the time, and people get caught up and they lose focus, and you know, you don't see success because what happens is your focus is just everywhere else, and it's really going to kill you guys. So anyways, I hope this video was of value, guys, on the 5 things I wish I knew before I started my affiliate marketing business. I really just want to make videos like this. I know this is different from what I usually make. I usually make videos where I get on the screen and I show you how to do things, but I also want to start making some mindset videos. If you guys like these type of videos where I kind of talk about the journey, the story, the mindset you need to build a 6-figure business, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you think of these type of videos. If you want me to make more, I would love to. I love being able to share my story and my experiences on how I was able to create a 6-figure business. Now, guys, if you need any help at all on building your affiliate business, I'm gonna leave a link down below to the 3-day challenge. That's going to walk you through step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want a more in-depth blueprint, if you want my Done With You mentoring program, check out Freedom Breakthrough. I'm going to leave a link down below as well. That's going to be under the 3-day challenge in the links down below. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you guys on the next one.